This is Guru Nanak Ji.
This side.
Your Holiness, look here, please. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So thank you. Indeed, I feel very happy. Relation between India and Tibet now over 2000 years, very special relations. Then the Orissa, according to some Tibetan religious history, some Tibetan master went to Orissa and received some teaching, some great yogi in this area. So we have some connection. So I'm very happy, indeed, great honor. And then one Tibetan settlement also here.
Very much in God's will. Would you like to say
Odisha is rich with Buddhist culture. Any talks regarding Buddhist corridor in Odisha?
As I mentioned there, according to some of our sort of religious history book, in ancient time, some Tibetan translator or Tibetan master visited in this area, and we also used to mention Pulahari. I don't know. Pulahari. So one great Indian yogis remained there, stayed there. So you see many, some of these Tibetans received teaching from him. So in ancient time, we have some connection. So therefore, of course, then beside that, we also have Tibetan settlement in this state. So in the past few occasions I visited. So indeed I feel great honor once more here. And then I want to share with you that is according to my own experience over now 30 years, especially meeting with modern scientists and many modern educationists. Eventually I realized the knowledge which we kept originally come from India. See, this knowledge, not only ancient knowledge, but also very relevant to today's world. Frankly speaking, today's world, a lot of crisis. I think each day we are quite peaceful here, but same planet, same human being, thousands killing by human being, and some worst case due to different religious faith killing each other. How bad! All major world tradition, you see, teach us practice of love, forgiveness, tolerance. But then source of these sort of noble sort of practice, this religion itself now dividing human being and killing. Then thousands, millions people facing starvation, like Yemen and Syria, this area. Unthinkable. Same human brothers, sisters, dying due to starvation. And then look, Burma, Buddhist country, very negative, merciless attitude towards those Burmese Muslims. So that's today's world. Now the big question, whether you say this is something human nature or not? If this nature, then we can't do much. But then, see, according to our scientists, basic human nature is more compassionate. And 7 billion human beings all come from one's own mother. And Chief Minister also come from his own mother. Me too come from my own mother. So everybody, you see, enjoy mother's milk. That's the way our life starts. So our common experience, we all grown up or survived with mother's love, mother's milk. So, including those troublemakers, the same way start their life. And then one important thing is, scientists, medical scientists, they say constant anger, constant fear, constant hatred actually eating our immune system. So very bad for our health. So everybody, you see, taking care of their own health. So good health, rely on medicine, not sufficient. Good health, very much related with peace of mind.
Sir, what talks did you have with our Chief Minister, sir?
What
talks did you have with our Chief Minister?
Basically, these things I mentioned. Whoever I met, I always mention these things. Then I also inquire what political party. then he, you see, I think one of the longest, serving chief minister. So then I really praised that. Not like President Mugabe, not like Mugabe in Africa, Zimbabwe. Oh, 93-year-old, he still keep power. And not only himself, now he quite old, so he wants his wife should succeed. That's too much. Here, you see, people's trust, respect, and through election, and now he served long period. So I admire.
CM, about the Tibetan refugees, those are staying in Odisha?
No particular. Generally speaking, wherever Tibetan refugees live, in Karnataka state and Madhya Pradesh, and here, you see, generally speaking, very happy. The state government is, you see, very, very kind, very kind.
Thank you. It's a pleasure. It's an honor, Your Highness.
What an honor for me.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.